How to make a guy happy in a relationship. Many babes or women often ask this question: how do I make my guy happy in this relationship? You may have asked this same question in time past. The truth is that you are not alone. In fact, guys want to be happy in their union. In this video, I will show you 15 proven steps on how to make a guy happy in a relationship. 1. Show a little compliment. Many have said women like to be told they look good, smell nice, look hot, smart or sexy. Much more, guys love it too. They just pretend like they don't. The truth is they do. Shower him with praise and tell him how proud you are. Compliment him of his accomplishment and his looks too, because all men like to have their self-esteem. He will be happy. He will feel you care enough to notice and tell him. Appreciate what he does for you and your family. Also praise him in front of others. Number 2, support and motivate him. Every guy wants to hear your opinion, and a good man will be open to ideas, and they want to encourage him to succeed and congratulate him when he wins. So encourage, support and motivate him in his ambitions, goals and aspirations. Never talk him down or criticize him when he's down. The worst thing a lady can do is to make his guy low in any relationship. Step number 3, show him practical love. The more you show him love, the more the guy is happy. Here are some helpful tips in this regard. When you get something for yourself, get something for him too. Look at him in the eye with a smile, playful expression, and hold his gaze for 3 seconds. Surprise him by buying something he really likes. Touch him often. Touch means forgiveness, love, warmth, and passion. It makes them closer to you, and they will touch back. Step number 4, be a funny and humorous lady. Guys love to be with babes who have a cheerful approach to life. This brings excitement and make him feel lucky to have you. So be graceful, spontaneous, and cheerful around your guy, and you will definitely make him happy always. Step number 5, avoid prolonging a fight. Disagreement and arguments do occur in relationship, but when allowed to prolong into fight and argument, may leave both partners feeling hurt and miserable. So learn to sort out differences as soon as possible. This is important. Some people will pick up a fight on everything. Avoid this. There is nothing a man hates more than having to fight or argue with a girl for no reason. Step number 6, avoid nagging. Men hate troublesome babe. Tell him once what you want. You have a 50-50 chance it will be done. Tell him more than once within 24 hours. Period. Will irritate your guy, and they call it nagging. A nagging babe will complain to your mom, put up an irritating look all day long, not going to the kitchen and bedroom. But whatever you do, don't nag. It puts me off. Step number 7, cook good food. It has been said in some part of the world that the way to a man's heart is through food. Men love to eat, and when their lady can cook, they feel happy having them around. So learn to be a great cook. He may say it doesn't matter if you don't know how to cook, but try cooking him a delicious meal, and you will see the other side of him. Step number 8, make the sex in bed an experience. Be willing to try new things with your spouse in the bedroom. Never allow your sex experience in the bedroom to be monotonous and boredom of repetition. Keep things sexy. He will always be impressed by you. Learn some new position. Don't be shy to experiment in bed, because the man probably will be shy. In spite of all the bravo, many men are quite backward when coming forward with new ideas in this era. So take the initiative, and they will love you all the more for it. Number 9. Allow him to be the man. More than anything, a guy hates a woman who always controls in every situation. Men is see degrading and not funny at all. Until you understand this, your relationship will suffer. Let him be the man. You are with him for a reason. He is capable. Let him prove it. He will love you for it. Ask for his help and advice. He will always be there to offer his strength and wisdom. Don't shout at him in the public or put him down when he takes a few decisions. If you keep doing this, he will just end up looking for another relationship to feel like a man. Step number 10. Try gain his trust and honesty. Honesty and trust is valuable in any relationship. Men don't open their heart or bare their soul too readily, but when they find these two virtues, they do. He can trust his spouse enough that he can confide in her and rely on her. So let him know you trust him. Have faith in your guy and let him know you trust him. When a man knows his woman trusts him, he gets more attracted to her and take more initiative to keep her happy. Step number 11. Understand your guy. You should know your guy, his mood, when happy, sad, or disturbed, when he's broody, want to be left alone, or when he's upset and want to be comforted. These help in communication. If you try to bring a serious issue when he's stressed and has a lot in his mind, then you won't get the result you want. So try to understand him. Step number 12. Encourage him to achieve his dream. To make a man happy emotionally, you need to know how to encourage him and mean it. You can encourage him by telling him how remarkable, talented and hilarious he is, and allow him follow his dream and goal. Guys may be mally, but sometimes they are confused in their personal dreams. Encourage him and help him achieve his goal by talking about his dream. Step number 3. Learn to compromise. To make a man happy emotionally, you have to be able to compromise when you have disagreement. Allow him win the argument. Step number 14. Respect him. All of us need respect. When you are in a relationship, it is easy to talk stupid or pull down your man in jest, but be careful to draw the line. Never ridicule him or put him down in the public. Let him know you respect him, even if you pull his leg now and then. Always give him first preference. Don't ignore him when there are other guys around. Make him feel like your man, and he will appreciate you the more. Number 15. Look good for him. Guys are immediately attracted to a girl who looks good. Your guy is no different. Dress well and look sexy when you are with him, and you will make his day. To learn more on more useful tips, click the link below, subscribe to our channel, and share this video on your Facebook, Twitter, and social media. Thank you for watching.